today's video is going to be my October Ipsy unbagging video. Okay, first off, I just gotta say this. My ring light broke like in the summertime, I think, and I never got a new one. My husband replaced it. Really bright light. I can't even tell if this is good lighting because it's just so bright. I literally cannot see anything. So, Ipsy unbagging came in the mail and I'm like, what is this? After, I don't even know how many years, Ipsy has changed their mailers. They're no longer the bright pink or the bright like fuchsia. They're light pink with the word Ipsy on them. This is what the bag looks like. It's Betty Boop. I guess they did a collaboration with Betty Boop this month. Okay, first thing in the bag is Marc Anthony Strengthening Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner. I remember getting this whole line in PR, but I think I ended up giving it away to someone. I did a bunch of like giveaways on YouTube. Sorry, my hair is, oh, you guys, this is natural Vanessa hair. Like, what? I used to have stick straight hair, but apparently if you have 4 children, it'll literally turn your hair like curly. Is this curly, wavy? What is this? I don't know. Anyway, I remember getting this whole line in PR like maybe like a year ago. I don't remember when, but I know that I gave it away and I'm kind of pissed that I gave it away because I really friggin' like this stuff. I like this stuff so much that I went and bought the full size. It's just a leave-in conditioner. It smells amazing. It makes your hair super soft. And yeah, I actually bought the conditioner too. I didn't buy the shampoo because, I don't know, I've got a shit ton of shampoos in my shower, so I figured I would use those first. Sorry, my hair. Next thing in the bag is from Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Sydney Bathers Kiss of Sun Highlighter in Balmoral Beach. How's this lighting gonna work? Oh yeah, we got shadows. I need to go buy like just a replacement ring light because these lights that he put in here are ridiculous. They're great for taking Poshmark pictures, that's for sure, but not so much video. I don't know, maybe I'll look back when I'm editing this and maybe it'll be fine. I don't know. All right, so this is a, what did it say? Highlighter. Okay, next thing is from Kavos NYC. It's lip treatment in raspberry. Ooh. It's a luxe lippy that has all the nourishing benefits of a lip balm with a shiny finish and subtle sheen of a gloss. What is that? Let's see if it smells like raspberries. Ooh. Oh, okay, on my nose. It does smell like raspberry and I think a raspberry color too. Woo! Oh, it is tinted. It is, but you can definitely shear it out, I think, maybe, hopefully. Thing in the bag is from It Cosmetics. This is the Your Skin But Better CC Cream. Love this stuff. Super excited to get another one. The only color that I have left right now is medium, and that's way too dark for me. Okay, and the last thing is a mascara. This is a mascara. This is the Betty Boop and Ipsy Blink and Wink Mascara. Introducing our limited edition collection in partnership with the iconic beauty mousse Betty Boop. What brand is this from? Blink and Wink? That's a brand? Blink and Wink? Yeah, okay, I don't know. There's Betty Boop right there. Let's see what the brush looks like. Ooh, okay. Kind of like it. Maybe I'll bring back mascara Monday. That's everything that is in my October Ipsy bag. I'm super excited about this mascara. I've used this stuff before. It's amazing. The CC cream. I'll give the lip treatment a try. Highlighter, I'm probably going to pass this along. And what else? This guy. Love this stuff already. Again, I bought the full size. So that was it for my Ipsy unbagging for October. I'll have a link to Ipsy down below if you guys are interested in signing up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.